Hello everyone and welcome back. This is day 52 of my coding journey. In this video, I'm going to be building a footer component for my travel agency project. And yeah, I have a few designs in my head. I'm going to go with the first one. If it don't look right, just going to, scrap it, go to the next one. Hopefully this video isn't too long. Yesterday, I started to learn Tailwind CSS. Man, dude, it's amazing. Already created a responsive nav bar, and dude, you create stuff in like 10 minutes. It's amazing. I'm not gonna lie. Like the utility classes and stuff is just, oh my god, it's amazing. Tailwind, it's really good. But yeah, let's get started. Don't want to get off track and talk about Tailwind because I can go on forever with that. That's just amazing. All right, so we got our project here. I still haven't worked on, so this is the site. So all this is complete. I don't think I showed you guys. Yeah, this is already responsive. That, and we got that right there. So this section here, I said I was going to scrap it. I might keep it because I still have a lot to do. I still got to be more responsive. I made it responsive for mobile and tablet, which I think is like right there. And yeah, so I might scrap it, I don't know. But that's a whole nother video. Let's move this up. And what I want to do is actually try to fix my windows because I don't know what the hell I was doing. Hold on. Let's bring this down right there. All the way to right there. Alright. Alright, so let's start this component. So it's not going to be in the home component folder. It's going to be outside because it's, I don't even know why this is here. Hold on. So the nav bar should be inside the home component folder. Right there. Wait. Okay. Yes. That should update the imports. Okay. Parallax. So we got our app. Wait. Okay, so yeah, we got our app section, which I just put in there. We got our bottom hero. We got our featured destinations, and we got our parallax. And the hero that's a component for all the pages, so that's why I have it outside. So let's do a footer component, which should also be outside. So footer. And I'm gonna do footer.js. And footer CSS. If I was using Tailwind, didn't even need to do that. Create that CSS file. All right, let's import that CSS file first, before I forget. I always forget, and then wonder why my styles isn't working. .css. I forget the /. All right, so import that, and we can just do cons footer equals that. Let's export it. Export default. Footer. All right, so let's go ahead and import it into our home page, which is down here, pages. Or should I import it? Maybe I should import it in app.js, since it's gonna be. No, I don't think I should do that. Let's just do home. Alright, so import footer, and it should be the final component in here. We should. Alright, so that should be good. So now we can see our changes as we make them. And I want to return. I'm just gonna do, always do the fragment. I don't know why. I probably shouldn't actually. Let's actually do a div. Let's do div dot. Let me change this to JSX. Last time I tried doing this though, it didn't work for me. I don't know, that app is a little weird. Let's see if it works. Div dot. Let's see. Okay, it works. Alright, so div dot see, look, that's what it did. Look, it changed the icon for my thing. I don't know why. It's weird, but alright, so div, let's do a footer container. And so I want four, I guess like 4 rows. So I think I might do either, I think I might try a grid. If you guys haven't seen my last video, like my last code along where I was working on, I think I was working on the cards. I was trying to challenge myself to use grid more because I just used Flexbox for everything. So I think I might try a grid this time again. So let's do another div. Let's do a div, and this is going to be a class name of footer dash logo box. This is going to be on the left side, and then for the logo, I want, let's go to the nav bar because, oh, not that. I got so much open. This is so unorganized. This is sad. So, oh yeah, we got to import link as well from React Router. So I want this here. And let's go to footer. I'm going to paste that inside the box. And link is not defined. So let's import link from React Router. Let's save it. See, look, that's why I don't like this. It doesn't format my thing, but maybe I think that's the reason why I just stopped using it. I don't know. But see, look, well, now it's gonna format for some reason. I don't know. All right, so that's our logo. Oh, cool. So it kept our. Okay, nice. I probably should put that logo inside Universal, the CSS for that inside Universal. So where is that? So right here, all of this, I'm going to exit that out and to put it in my Universal because gotta stay organized. That's what I was taught, you know what I'm saying? All right, so let's make sure our logo up here is still good. And our logo here is good, perfect. All right, so that's our logo, our link. And then when we click on it, it should take us back to home, which it doesn't. I wonder why. Is my site messing up? Alright, so let's do destinations. That takes us back. Oh, maybe because we was already on the home page. Alright. Okay, so actually we probably can I don't think that's gonna work. Alright, so we got our link, and under here I want some text. So let's do, I guess, a p tag. And we don't need to give it a class. Let's do p, and I don't know. We should make up something for now. What is it? Tripper is the leading website for booking vacations and I have no idea what goes here. Just for now, I'll figure something out later. Alright, so we got that. So that's one box. And let's do another div. Alright. So this div is going to be like our office. I don't know if I'm going to do hours or maybe just like location and like maybe like a contact email or something. Let's do footer dash contact box. And then in here, we can just do like a H3. And then put like office location. And all this is going, I'm just trying to get the layout here. All this is going to obviously probably change. And then maybe do P with our location. I don't know, 1-800 location drive. I have no idea. Let's see how it looks so far. Office location, that, and then some more probably go in there. Let's go down. That's gonna be one box. And then I mean one column. And then here give it a class name. So this one is gonna be what should it be? Maybe like a social box footer. Social box. And this is gonna have all our, I did something wrong. Oh. Alright, this was gonna have all our icons in it. And maybe some like text or something. So let's grab some icons for now. Go to font, awesome, baby. Actually, I found a new one. Ion some shit. This one. But this is, I don't know if this have like Twitter and stuff. Let's see. Oh yeah, they don't. I spelled Twitter wrong. Maybe that's why. Oh, they do. Okay. So how do I? This one's way better. It's free too. Like, but for now, I just use Font Awesome. But I was using this for my Tailwind practice yesterday, and I like them better because Font Awesome trying to make you pay $70 for some icons. Come on now, shame on you. All right, let's do that. So we got that icon. I don't know, Instagram. I'm getting a call. Sorry about that. Don't know who that is, but yeah. When I'm in my code mode, don't bother me. All right, Instagram. What's Facebook? Facebook. And one more. Let's do LinkedIn. All right. All right. So we got that box. Let's see how we're looking so far. Probably looking weird. Alright, so we got our logos. Alright, now I want the logo to be all the way on the right. I mean, not the logo, the brand, what is it called? The icons to be on the right, the social. So in here, I'm gonna have links. So let's do, like in the third column, I want links. So let's do a div, then class name, footer, link box. Probably should do container, but I don't know. Alright, so here I just want some links. How should I do this? Obviously I gotta use the link. Alright, so let's do, should be easy actually. So link, and if you guys don't know, link is basically an anchor. Is that what it's called? Anchor tag? It's just with React router. So let's do a 2, and the first one's gonna be home. This is gonna be our links that we got already. Home, and let me just copy this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that 25? That what we got? Move this over some. So home, destination, cruises about. Let me make sure that I'm back in frame. Being zoomed in is like so weird. Alright, perfect. Alright, so we got home, destinations, and this should be 2 destinations. Let me see if this works. Scroll down. Okay, so destinations. Okay, perfect. So yeah, it works. Alright, and the next one is cruises. Cruises. And I was making sure I was recording. Dude, I keep saying this every video, but every time it doesn't fail. I record a video, and I mean I think I'm recording and I'm not recording. And like it happened so many times, it was just like it actually like made me like not want to do the video anymore, and I just ended up just scrapping the whole idea of the video. Alright, so we got that. Now I just say we start styling it. Some of this stuff might change. Alright, so first I want to make this into a grid. So footer container. So footer dot container. Oh, dot container. And display grid. Dude, I could just get this done so fast in Flexbox right now, but it's whatever. Grid template columns. So I want 4, so I'm gonna do repeat 4 1 FR, I believe. Alright, and I want them in the center though. Justify content. Can I use this here? See, this is why I should just use Flexbox. Grid. I think it's like justify something. Grid justify content. I think it's different from. Oh, so it is. So let's do center. Oh, space center. What the fuck? Oh, it's justify content. Center. And I want to see something. If it doesn't move at all. No. Line content center. I know that's. That is so weird. This is why I don't want to use grid. Justify content center. Could have sworn we just justify content. Huh. I mean, I probably could just figure this out myself, actually. And let's look here. So. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Okay. Okay. Alright. Thank God for DevTools. Alright. That makes sense now. So, let me exit out some of this squat. Got so much shit open. Footer is what I got open. Alright, footer. So, let's give our footer a background color of, let's go to our coolers, baby. My stomach is like growling, hungry. I might gotta take a break here in a few, maybe like at like 12:30 or something, if I'm not finished by then. Alright, so the footer, I might do that color. Probably not, though. It gotta be different, though. I can't have a footer, like, and a header, like, the same. I don't think that's gonna look right. So, alright, so footer. But now we gotta change our text color with that. We'll do that. Alright, so. We got that. Alright, so let's grab the logo box. The link box first. So just so I can just see something. I'm gonna do it all the way down here because I want everything to be like in order. So footer dash link box. And I want to make this a display flex. Yes, I'm using flex direction column. And scroll down some. And align items center. Okay, so that makes it center. Perfect. And we could probably give them a gap of 3 rem for now, which is a little too much. Let's do 2 rem. Okay. Alright, I just wanted to get that together. So let's give this a padding all around for, let's do 3 rem. See how that looks. That's too much. Do 2 rem. Alright, that looks good for now. Oh, we forgot like the titles and shit. Alright, so let's add that right quick. Let's get rid of that. And here, let's go H3. Links. We'll do like quick links. Oh, not for that one. Alright, so quick links. Here we go. Alright, so now let's just fix up this section first, I guess. Where is it? I keep getting lost, man. Sorry. Alright. So I want to grab all the link elements, which is, I'm just grabbing all the A anchor tags. So I want to do a color white, and let's make the font size bigger. Font size, probably do like 1.5 rem, 15 pixels. Which is a little bit too much. Let's do 1.2 rem. And that H3 can come a little bit bigger. I don't think we should do an H2, but it's whatever for now. Now let's keep it H3. We can just style it. Alright, so we got that. Alright, Alright, so that's the. Let's grab our H3. H3, and let's give it a font size of 2. No, 1.5. A little bit bigger. Okay. And we could probably capitalize it. Let's see how it looks capitalized. Text transform, uppercase. Starting not to like this. Really starting not to like this. Let's grab this. Oh, no. Copy. And I'm going to do a hover. And whenever you hover, I want text decoration underline. And then I want this to be a transition 0.5 seconds. See how that looks. How is it? Let's do 10 seconds. See it. Huh. Wonder why the transition not working. Maybe transition doesn't work with text decoration. All right. Yeah, I don't think it works with that. I mean, I like this though. But let's change maybe the color to this. Even though you can't tell the difference, but all right. So quick links. So for that and for the color, Probably just make it, let's go black, even though it's already black, but I just want to play around with it. Maybe like a grayish, no. Maybe black will work for it. I suck at making footers, man. I really do. I'm not gonna lie. So I kind of want. I don't want to underline, but I want. Let's give this a background color right quick of red. I just want to see something. All right. So, and then let's give it a padding of 3 rim all around. Let's do 1 rim all around. Okay. So. Alright, I kind of want a box shadow. Underline CSS. I'll add a shadow underline. Forgot. So I believe it's this. No, box shadow. I forgot what I did. Holy God. Alright. It's here. I added it here. So let's go here. See, look, that's a box shadow. That's not an underline. So let me go there. Forgot what I did. So let's go to bottom hero section. Bottom hero. Let's go down to the media queries. And this should be it here, I believe. And then we can just play around with it. Copy. Footer. And replace that with that. Now let's see how that looks. Huh? That didn't work. Let's go to the bottom hero.
Hero by Martin Garrix and Jake.
Alexa,
on Amazon.
Pause. What are you doing, bro? Sheesh. Alright. I guess we could just leave it like that for now, I guess. I don't know. For now, I guess I'm focused on the wrong things. I probably should style everything up first. So, this pattern, it's just like, oh my god, this pattern looks a little weird on it. Alright, let's grab the next section over here. This one, where is it? Alright, so the logo box. Alright, so that should be right underneath that footer dash logo box. And same thing, I want display flex and flex direction column and align item center. Did I grab the right thing? Footer logo box. Yup. So why is that not moving? Let me see something. Hold on. Let me. Stop that. See it. Okay. It doesn't look great. Doesn't look great at all. Let's do a text align center. Try to move that over, but it's so weird. So yeah, it's there, but I want it down here. So maybe there we go. Okay. All right. Perfect. Something like that. Probably switch up this pattern. It's like way too much white space, and I have no idea what I'm gonna do. For now, let's keep it like this for now. And let's grab the office hours. Let's just try to center everything for now. So the contact box, let's grab that. Contact box. And I want another flex. Flex direction column. Line item center. And justify content center. I should move it there. Perfect. And then let's do the next box. Just try to get everything centered first, and then I'll do all the styling and stuff later. So I spelled social wrong. Wait, now I gotta respell it. Alright, footer social box. Footer social box. Same thing. Actually, not the same thing. Let's do a display flex for now. But I'm gonna definitely have to, because if I do flex column, it's gonna go down. So display flex, and let's just align it center for now, and justify content center just for now. All right, there we go. Let's go. It looks so ugly. All right, let's take down this pattern, bro. Like, I don't know what to do right now. All right. Got our quick links. This section look okay. Maybe just add like an underline or something. I don't know. This doesn't look bad. It's just a footer. Don't gotta look like a nav bar. You know what I'm saying? Oh, what about the icons? Nah, it's a little too much. All right, so let's start with this section here, the logo box. So first, I gotta switch my logo up since it's this color. And let's give it a class. So keep the class name logo, but let's also give it another class name of footer logo. And I think I can override some of the styling. Let's go up here, footer dash logo, and let's do a color white. Okay, there we go. And so why is that not centered? Why is this not centered in here? I don't know. 'Cause, like, 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 Huh. I wonder why is that? It's so weird, so weird. It's taking up a whole line. Maybe I have to display inline block. Inline, not inline block. Shouldn't that be center? Or am I tweaking? Oh. That's because of this. Margin right auto. That's why. That's why. So. Let's do. Wait, that's why. Forgot that I had styling. Margin right. Can I do like margin right? None. Yeah, that works. Oh fuck. How do I override that? Maybe margin left auto. Margin left. Oh, let's go. Alright, now it's centered. Perfect. Alright. So. Alright, let's grab the. So we got the logo. Let's grab the P element. So that footer. Logo box P. And I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. Font size 1.2 rem. And I kind of want some more text there, definitely. Let's just copy this and just paste it again. Like a little paragraph. And let's give it a gap. So for the lower box, just give it a gap. 1 rem. Maybe 2 rem. No, that's good actually. And for the text, probably do white. And I definitely need to give all this shit shadow because just, I don't know, man. It's just starting not to look right to me. So 1 rim left and right. So let's try something. Let's do 0 and then 1 rim. Alright, so it looks a little bit better. Alright, let's grab a text shadow. I always go to this site, best text shadow CSS. Forgot. Damn, I tried all these sites. I think it's this one here. No, not that one. There's a site that shows like some really. This one, basic text shadow. This is the one I like. Basic text shadow. And where is it? P. Let's see how that looks. There we go. It just gives it nice shadow. And I don't know, man. It's just started like a little weird to me. Oh, look at the padding. I need a padding actually. So it gotta be one room. One room. Alright, so that's that. Let's do this section here. Office location. So where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? So much shit. Office location. My wife is calling. All right, sorry about that. Had a call from my wife. Had to go downstairs. So I had to change your heart. I think I might scrap this. I came back and looked at it. Like I said, I had multiple designs in my head, and it's just this was one of them. Also got like a simpler one that I wanted to do, which just had like 4 social links. And see, I don't think that's gonna. Let's just see if we can make this look better, man. So I looked up on Google footer. Matter of fact, let me just do it on here. Looked it up on my phone. So footer ideas. And a lot of them have one thing in common. So they don't really have centered like links or nothing. I think that's where I really messed up at. That's probably why it's not really looking good. So let's where's the text align? Let's do text align left. And let's do start. Oh no, not start. No. Do center. Do that. Let's go move it down. And then I don't want this here no more. This can stay the margin right. So like that. Sorry, my chair. And this box, so it's 1FR, 1FR. So each of them have the same width. But I don't think I should do that. Let's do grid template columns. We're gonna do 20%. 20%. I don't think this. I'm doing this right. This is why I just use Flexbox, right? So that's 40, and then 30%, and then 30%. Will this make it bigger? Let's see. Okay, that's fucked my whole shit up. Grid. Oh fuck. Repeat. 4. 1FR. Oh shit. This is why I should just use Flexbox. Stop trying to be cool. Alright, so that's that. And I mean, let's fix this section up. So office, location. So what we got? So we got, let's go to footer. Probably gotta add some more shit here. Office, location, it's gonna be that. We can add a phone. H3. Actually, we could just do contacts. Information. So we got location drive, and that's going to be let's do a BR. Can I do a BR inside of I'm tripping, dude. I'm really messing up. It's embarrassing actually. Alright, let's do, can I do a BR in here? A line break. BR. And then I want, actually, I don't even need a BR. I'm so stupid. Oh my god. Alright, so P, and then I'm gonna do let's do Los Angeles, California 13472. I don't fucking know. Alright. So that's our location. Probably should add like a font. I mean, not a font, a icon in front of them. So let's do location. I don't want to use the one that I have for my logo. We can just do like a building, I guess. Like something like that. I mean, I have to put them in a div, I think, right? Let's see how this looks. Okay. Hmm? Hmm. Alright. So I think I have to let's see something here. Let's give this a class name of footer address, and it's just that. And let me just see something. This is just a little test. Why do I still have that open? Alright, footer, and I kind of want to keep it. So it's our logo, contact box. So let's do it here. Footer dash address. I'm probably spelling that wrong. I always spell address wrong for some reason. Okay, I spelled it right. Address. Alright, footer address. And let's give it a display flex. And see if does it make it make it line up. Okay, so it does. And before we do anything, let's probably make the fonts and stuff bigger. So let's go to our footer, and then let's grab, actually we could just do everything in here. So back here, and let's do a color white, and a font size 1.5 rem. Let's do 1.2 rem. Try to keep the 1.2 rem, and then we could give it a gap of 1 rem. Let's do 0.5. add that text shadow that we have for this. Just see how it looks. Alright, that doesn't... Probably I messed up. This gotta go in there with it. Fuck. Oh, this is where the line break comes. Hey, BR. I knew I needed a line break. I knew it. I think. No, doesn't work. Ah. Huh. Only thing I can think of is get this out of here like that and move it down here. That's just like, it's a little bit too much, man. And then just put the same styling on it, but I don't think that's smart to do. I really don't. I think I should probably have them in the same div at least. It should be like that for the entire address. But hold on, maybe I'm doing this all wrong. Let's try this. Let's exit out that and take that off. And I haven't used like HTML in so long. Maybe I add a line break inside thing like that and then do it like that. There we go. Perfect. Something like that. Perfect. Yeah, I haven't had to use that in probably a few months now. Alright, so that's that. Now let's add a... So we got our footer address. Let's do another div in here. Div. And I'm going to make this a class name of footer. Boom. We're gonna, let's grab an icon. Phone. Get our phone and add a P. Probably should be using spans. So P1800 call yo mama. 1-800 call yo mama. Alright. So for their phone, footer dash phone. I'm gonna do a display flex. And probably should be all we need. I'll put phoner. Put a phone. And so the contact box is already flexed, so we can just probably just give this a gap of 2 rem to space it out a little bit. And I kind of want that lined up with that. So I wonder how would I do that, actually. Huh. This is so confusing. Oh my god. Now I'm confused. How would I make that line up with that? Let's see. So now I'm on to something else. Let's keep that. I want this to line up with that. So we got our quick links H3. Then we got an H3 contact information. So let's go back to our footer and let's see what we got for the H3. It's down here. So we got a pattern of one rim. Color that. Let's go ahead and add this same style into our H3 inside our contact box. H3. Alright, so I guess that's gonna make it look like that, but I need it up there. Align self flex start? No? Ooh, maybe justify self. I want it up there. Maybe like a margin bottom auto. Okay, thank you. That does that. Take that off real quick. I'm just gonna give it a big ass margin bottom though. Just take the gap off of this real quick. And it gives it too much of a margin bottom. So that, I mean, it lines it up, but it gives it. Let's not do that. So I want that to be up there. I want that to stay there. Justify self start. Shouldn't that work? Like start maybe? It's not working. Huh. So that gotta go. Yeah, I want this up as well. Okay. Maybe if I take off justify content center. Let's see if what that does. So that moves it up like that. Which still, is it lined up? Okay, that looks like it's lined up right there. Okay, that looks like it's lined up there. And then H3. Let's take all this off and we could probably just do a text align center for it. Actually, I don't want it center. I I swore we just said we're not centering it. That's that. Alright, so let's fix this one up right quick again. I'm just all over the place right now. So this is the footer. Let me comment that out and see what that does. Yeah, I think I want them centered, but I want to justify content left. I'm not mistaken, no? Reflect start. Reflects in. No. Maybe text align left. It's not working. Fuck. I'm keeping it centered. I'm keeping it centered. That's like the only thing that I can think of right now. I mean, I'm keeping it centered. So let's go. So that's good right there for now. Let's go to our. We can add this gap back, I think. It's just gonna space that out. And so that should be even now. And then let's center. We got a line item center already. Do I gotta? Oh, we can take off this text align left. And let's go up here. Okay, so I think here is why it's not. So footer address, let's do text align center. I should center it like that. But why is that not moving with it? So I guess we'll just do align item center. Why is that not moving with it? That's what I want to know. So text align center should move them all, but it's only moving that. And why is that? I thought icons, they're like text. Wait, am I on footer address? Let's see. Yep, footer address. Oh, that's why. I know why. I know why. Because we gave it this gap, I think. No, it's not that. Got a message. Okay. I think because we gave it, I thought because we gave it the gap. But I want that over there. We got contact information. It's looking okay so far. I kind of want this up maybe. So instead of having it flex item center, I'm going to do flex start here. I should move it up. And then maybe okay, maybe I do have to keep it center. Center. This is what all those developers go through. I don't know if you guys ever seen those tutorials of like them making a website, and they're like, they just know where everything go. They plan for all of that. Just letting you guys know, and I know that for a fact. I'm not a pro or anything, but you know they plan it out. They have probably the code already written out on another monitor. Like this is all raw right here. This is I haven't made this shit yet, so that's why it's it's just a lot of testing and just moving shit around. And I'm not intending this to be like a tutorial or anything, but yeah. Speaking of that, let me make sure I'm recording. All right, so yeah, I don't got that much time left, so might have to end this squat soon. All right, so that looks good. I don't know about that yet. Okay, I'm all over the place right now, but I just want to make sure I'm gonna keep this design. So what I was thinking is so underneath, so we got our footer container, which I want to keep it in, but underneath I guess underneath the footer container, wait, footer container. So we got our footer. Maybe like under here, I think. Let's have another div. Let's add the fragment thing. Now I should be able to add my div. Do a div, and then we're just gonna do let's do a span for now. And then I want this just to say some random shit. For now. Okay. So that's what I want, something like that. And let's give this a class name of bottom footer. Bottom footer. And what I want to do, this is the type of style that I wanted to do. So for the footer container, I want to give it a box shadow, which I can just go here. Best box shadow CSS. So this is where I like going here. So we could just give it which one do I like? Let's do something like that for now. Just see. Bottom footer. Bring this down. The bottom dash footer. And now I just wanted to give this a padding. This is just a test. A padding of, let's do 5 rem. Okay, there we go. And a background color of our blue. What's that? Okay, so I wonder why the box shadow not working. Maybe let's give this a Z index of 5. I don't know. Just try something out right quick. And let's try this one. I just want to see where the pop up at the bottom. Okay, it's not. So let's, instead of doing that, let's give it a border bottom. And let's do 1px, solid, and black. Let's see if that works. Okay, there we go. So yeah, I want something like that. Yeah. Looking good, looking good. Maybe bring the pattern up now to 2. Okay, it's looking good. And down here we can bring this pattern down. And then 1. Oh no, at least 2. Okay, for the text, I want something, you know, to be like all rights reserved. I don't know, footer, all rights reserved. Maybe there's some sample copyright and all this. Let's see. You know how I'd be at the footer? I'd be saying that type of shit. That's what I want. Somewhere I can copy on. Here we go. That's what I want right here. Copyright, all rights reserved to me, motherfucker. Alright. Copyright, all rights reserved, 2023. And Tripper Travel Agency. Okay, and let's give this a text align center. I might gotta play with the font a little bit. All right, and let's do a font size 1.5 rem, 1.2 rem, and font weight, let's do 600. Let's do 500. I think that's what it was just on though. And let's see how it looks uppercase. Font. Fuck. Text transform. Uppercase. Okay. Looking good. Okay, for our border, I don't want it too black. Let's make it like a little bit transparency. Yeah, like it just looks like a divider. Can I do it like a border width? Let's see, border width. Oh, I can. So let's do 50%. Nope. Can't do that. 50 pixels. Wait, what? What's that? Border bottom. How to set a border bottom width. Okay, border bottom width property. Try it yourself. Div border bottom width. Then let's see. Border bottom width. Ooh, new property. Let's see. I ain't do nothing though. Okay, so specifies thin bottom border, specifies medium. Okay, length allows you to define a thickness. of the border. I don't want that. Okay, border width. Okay, border width. Let's do 50. Can I do 50%? It's not working. Let's do 30 pixels. See what happens. See, it's not working. Can I do length? That's not working. So I don't want it to take up the whole entire width. How do I Stack Overflow probably got something. Border length. Let's see if this works. This box shadow. See, this is what I use for my other things, box shadow, because it works better, but see, it doesn't work here. I don't want that there. So let's just do that, and for now, I guess. It gotta be a way though. It gotta be a way. Oh, hold on, wait a minute. Div before. Ooh, hold on. I'm liking this. I'm liking that. I'm liking that. I'm liking that. I'm liking that. Wait, did I copy the whole thing? I just want this. I'm liking this. I'm liking the way that's looking. Footer. Container. Before. I just want to see some squat. Let's see. Let's take the border off of this. This seemed like it would work, right? This like really seemed like it should work. Like the way it looks. So the before, like you put shit on top of your div or whatever, and you know you always do content empty like string. Position absolute, which makes it go out. Oh, maybe this gotta be position relative. There we go. Let's go. There we fucking go. Alright, and let's do can I do text align center for this? No? Oh no, it's not a text. Oh. Let's do, so let's bring it over to the left. Actually, I probably could just do this. So keep it at the bottom there. So I could do a left of 50%. All right. 50%. Or am I doing that right? So left 50%. Maybe like 30%. Okay, now it's acting weird. Still width of I gotta go here soon. We probably won't finish this today. Let's do 70%. Make it a little bit bigger. And so I want left to be 50%, right? And then we're going to translate. Trying to see if I can remember this. Translate, transform. No, is it transform translate? Transform, translate, -50%. That should be right in the middle. Okay, and I kind of want it bigger. Let's do like 80%. %? Yeah, I kind of want to like that. And let's make it a little bit transparent. So you can't really notice it. It's like a little divider. Alright, that looks nice. That looks good, really good. But hopefully it doesn't mess up here. Okay, and it stays. Ooh, that is perfect. Thank you, Stack Overflow. You did your thing. Now let's fix all this up, because I don't know what he was thinking about spacing all of this shit like this. Alright. And so now I know how to do it. Learn something new every day. I'm telling you. Alright, so that's that. I think I might keep it that color too. Yeah, I think it looks good. So now we got our footer layout. This is kind of what I want. And probably take the pattern here down to like 1.5. This is kind of what I want here. Should I make the font color white? Color. I'm gonna keep it black. Alright, so that's that. Oh, my whole site's running so slow. It's just so much quality images. So this section don't look that bad now. Just gotta fix it up. With this footer, it looks okay. Alright, so that's that. And let's, I guess, keep working on these sections. So hover states. Let's work on this section. Let's work on that one. So footer contact. I'm starting to think I might not add. Let's see what we got. So footer contacts, we got that. Just wonder why the thing it's not loading. I mean, not loading, but why the font? I mean, the icon isn't moving with it. Oh, hold on. Did I try this yet? Oh my god, it's throwing this shit out of whack now. Yeah, I don't know. I think I might get rid of the icon. Oh, there we go. And then I think I had to just given it a gap to rem. I don't know if this is the right thing though. 0.5 rem. Alright, so that's that. Okay, that doesn't look bad actually. And then let's do the fold, the display flex. We can copy all of this. Oh no. All of that and make it down there. 1-800 call your mama. See, but it's not lining up. I don't know why. Oh, because of the line break. That's why. That is definitely what's going on. 100%. Watch this. Let's get rid of the line break actually. And we could just do it like that. And then let's text align center on that. Still giving that large ass fucking gap for some reason. I don't know why. For the address, for the phone. Huh. So I wonder if I text align center this. Will it give me that gap as well? No. Where is it? I think I might get rid of the icons. Cause let's comment that out right quick. And then we could just probably see what the fuck? What is going on? Why is it doing that? Do I have this somewhere else that I don't know about? Footer address. Footer address. Let's take off a little bit. Let's just see something. Okay. It's because it was going on another line, but I wonder how to fix that. Making this responsive is going to be crazy. Okay, so maybe, hold on. That was working? Okay, so I guess once it goes there. Okay. So it's working on like normal like that. So we can add our icon back. I'm just glad that's just a media query issue that I'm gonna have to deal with. So let's right now focusing on desktop. Then we'll worry about media queries and shit and all that extra shit. Alright, and I wanna add shadows to that as well because it looks plain. But then again, I'll probably take the shadow off. The shadow looks a little weird now. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna take the shadow off. I really don't like it. Yeah, it looks better like that. And 1-800 call your mama. Oh, let's actually put a number down. 1-800. I gotta go soon. 573-6728. And then down here, I'm just gonna put probably another div, last name, footer, hours, and then in here we'll just put to the calendar. I gotta go soon, so this is gonna be it for today. Let's maybe once I finish this section, I'll pick up my son. So a calendar, and then we'll do P. Oh, not an uppercase P. Come on. Available Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. through 5 p.m. And what is that for hours? So for this, we'll just copy and paste everything here. Okay. All right. And let's switch this up a little bit. Wait, I put Monday through 5? Monday through Friday. Don't look right when it's like that. Let's just do Mon. Friday, 7 a.m. 5 p.m. Yeah. Alright, that looks better. Okay, so there we go, baby. Looking good so far. Simple footer. I suck at footers. One thing I really suck at. I don't know why, but so I do kind of want this up now. Doesn't look right there. And we're definitely gonna change the color of the headers. And we got this section to work on over here. I think to achieve what I really want, just to make it even, I think I would have to add a div around everything. So div, and so many divs, like, oh my god. A div, and we're gonna give it a class name of footer as contact inner. Just to achieve what I really, really want. And that is put those there, that, okay. And then let's bring this up. Okay, so we got contact inner, and now I can even everything out. So we got our footer contact box, and what I want is to let's do a justify content center right quick. I just want to see something. That's that. And so let's do a space between. Okay, no, I want to do that. Space around. Something like that. Okay. And then this is going to come down too, maybe. And let's grab the footer as contact box. As contact inner. And then I want to give it all of this here, except for file room. Oh no, 3 room. 2 room. Okay, so it aligned the item center, but I want it to be, oh no, not space around. I don't want that. Okay. Okay, let's take this off. And then let's give it, okay, that looks better actually, hold on. Okay, that looks better. I'm keeping it just like this, I don't want to touch it. But don't it look exactly like how I had it? Was it? But now H3 a border bottom 3 pixels solid black. And now let's bring that down some. Something like that. That looks good. And obviously do the same thing for that. But let me see if it still works without having to do all that extra div shit. Okay, so it still works. Okay. But at least it's more, it's just, I don't know. Doing it like this is it's just more easier. The way I had it, have it in separate divs. Like have the inner. And just that way I can take this, hold on. Now, so I can keep my information there and I could just take that. Where is it? So inner, I could take that and item center. Let me see something right quick. So I should be able to take this. See how it's like going up? I should be able to take that and center it in the inner part. Okay, no, so that's inner right there, and then that's, so it's already centered. So let's do, but I think I could do the gap of, let's do 3 and see if it moves for, oh, see, yeah, it moves without moving that, which, I mean, I think still, I don't know, but yeah, that looks good. Probably gotta do that. Dude, I'm doing so much CSS, holy shit. I probably gotta do that trick, man. This before trick on here. Let's take this and copy it, and I just want to see how it looks. Then I have to go. So copy that down there, and then change this to footer contact box H3 before, and then we take this one off. And then we have to make this position relative. Okay, there we go. And then I want this to be, I want this to be small. Let's do 20%. Yeah, baby. Looking good. Let's do 30. Yeah, let's do 40%. I want it to be 2. So like that. And let's see how it looks. I gotta go. Sheesh. Gotta continue this tomorrow. Coolers Co. Just want to see how a color looks on it right quick. Profile. Grab my red here. Let's add some colors to it. Yeah, I don't like that. Maybe if I make it like a little bit more transparent, maybe it'll look good. Maybe make it a little bit bigger. Why am I making them so small? And can I give it a border radius? I wish I could. Okay, that doesn't look bad. Maybe like a little bit darker. Okay, that doesn't look that bad. Definitely change the font color of that, which I don't know what I should do. Maybe like a grayish color. I know it won't look right making it white. Ooh, we could actually do something cooler. Make it look better. Give it like a little design. So instead of having that center, let's give it a left of 0. Of 0. Let's give it a left of 20%. 10%. And I just want it right under the C. So 5%. I'm doing way too much just for a fucking footer, man. Holy shit. Alright. It's gonna take a lot of... Yeah, I don't like that. Let's go back to what we had. And let's bring the width up a little bit. Let's do 50. And maybe bring the thing down to 2. Okay. That looks good. That actually looked pretty good. Even with the white. Maybe add a text shadow to just the headers. Just so it could stand out a little bit more. So right there. Oh, that's not it. I didn't mean to do that. Here. I want to take that off. Just so they can stand out a little bit more. I don't like that text shadow. I'm so picky. Text shadow. I could have been done this if I wasn't so picky. I'm about to go though. Let me just try to find a good text shadow. 25. That's text shadow CSS. Oh, what the fuck? Alright, so I think I went here. That's the basic, that's the hard. Let's try hard. Just want the thing to stand out a little bit. No, that looks ugly. It's a heavy text shadow. That doesn't look bad right there. Actually. Stands out a little bit. But it doesn't fit the site. I'm just gonna probably not put any shadow. The underline. It shows the difference, I guess. Alright. So that's it for today. Spent fucking, what, 2 hours working on this. Still not finished, as you can see. It's a lot to do. Tomorrow I'm gonna work on this a little bit more. So yeah, that is day 52, I believe. And yeah, peace out, guys. See you guys tomorrow.